Welcome to RenovationX, your go-to channel for transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary dream homes. Dubai is a city that never stops evolving, and neither do its homes. As the demand for modern, luxurious, and functional spaces grows, home improvement trends are adapting to meet the needs of homeowners looking for a transformation. Whether you're planning a full-scale renovation or just want to refresh your interiors, understanding the latest trends will help you create a space that is stylish, practical, and future-proof. From sustainability to smart technology, let's explore the most sought-after home improvement ideas that will redefine living spaces in Dubai for 2025 and beyond. Homeowners in Dubai are increasingly embracing sustainability, not just as a passing trend but as a lifestyle choice. Energy efficiency and eco-friendly materials are at the forefront of home renovations, with solar panels, energy-saving lighting, and smart thermostats becoming essential upgrades. Reclaimed wood, bamboo flooring, and low-VOC paints are widely used, offering a combination of elegance and environmental consciousness. Automated blinds and window treatments that reduce heat absorption are also gaining popularity, significantly cutting down electricity bills while keeping interiors cool. As Dubai continues its push toward a greener future, expect to see more homes integrating water-saving fixtures, energy-efficient appliances, and eco-conscious building materials into their designs. Another major shift in home design is the preference for open-plan layouts, which create a seamless flow between different areas of the home. Walls are being removed to merge kitchens, dining areas, and living rooms into one expansive space, making homes feel larger and more inviting. This design is especially practical for entertaining guests and fostering a sense of togetherness in family living. Multifunctional zones are becoming a staple, with homeowners incorporating built-in workspaces into living areas. A well-designed nook with custom shelving and a stylish desk can serve as a home office by day and blend effortlessly into the living space by night. Light color palettes, large windows, and mirrored surfaces are further enhancing the feeling of openness, making homes look and feel more expansive. Minimalism remains the dominant theme in Dubai's interior design, but with a fresh twist. Instead of stark, cold spaces, homeowners are opting for soft minimalism, an approach that balances clean lines with warm textures and subtle contrasts. Custom-made furniture is playing a huge role in this trend, offering sleek storage solutions that keep clutter out of sight. However, to avoid a monotonous look, bold accent pieces such as statement lighting fixtures, eye-catching wall art, or designer furniture pieces are being used to add personality to minimalist spaces. Homeowners are also focusing on high-quality materials like natural stone, polished concrete, and premium wood finishes to enhance the overall aesthetic. Technology is revolutionizing home improvements, and smart home features are now considered essential upgrades rather than luxury add-ons. Dubai homeowners are heavily investing in automation systems that provide convenience, security, and energy savings. Voice-activated assistants control everything from lighting and music to climate and security systems. Motion sensor lighting, smart locks, and AI-powered surveillance cameras are making homes safer and more efficient. Climate control systems that adjust room temperatures based on the weather or time of day are also becoming a must-have, reducing electricity consumption while maintaining optimal comfort. Smart mirrors with LED lighting and built-in displays for news updates or fitness tracking are also emerging as a favorite feature in modern Dubai homes. Bathrooms are no longer just functional spaces, they are now designed as personal sanctuaries for relaxation and wellness. High-end finishes such as marble countertops, quartz sinks, and designer faucets are elevating the aesthetics of these spaces. Freestanding bathtubs, rain showers, and temperature-controlled water fixtures are transforming bathrooms into spa-like retreats. Advanced technology is also making its way into these spaces, with smart showers that allow users to set water temperature and pressure via their smartphones, and ambient lighting systems that create a calming atmosphere. Heated flooring and anti-slip surfaces are also becoming common, ensuring that luxury is met with practicality. Outdoor spaces in Dubai homes are being reimagined as extensions of the indoor living experience. With the pleasant evening climate, homeowners are investing in outdoor lounges, fully equipped kitchens, and landscaped gardens. Pergolas and shaded seating areas provide a cozy retreat for entertaining guests, while artificial grass flooring offers a maintenance-free alternative to traditional lawns. Many homeowners are also incorporating WPC decking for patios, creating elegant yet durable outdoor spaces perfect for family gatherings. Fire pits, outdoor projector screens, and custom-built bars are turning gardens and terraces into luxurious escapes. Nature is finding its way indoors with the increasing popularity of biophilic design. Dubai homeowners are incorporating more greenery into their homes, from living walls to indoor gardens that bring freshness and tranquility. Natural elements such as stone, wood, and jute rugs are being used to create a harmonious balance between modern interiors and organic aesthetics. Large windows that let in natural light, indoor water features, and strategically placed plants are enhancing indoor air quality while giving spaces a serene ambience. For those looking for a low-maintenance option, artificial green wall panels offer the perfect blend of aesthetics and convenience. As urban living spaces become more compact, multifunctional furniture is a game-changer for maximizing space. Custom-designed furniture pieces are being tailored to serve multiple purposes, providing both functionality and elegance. Modular sofas, extendable dining tables, and beds with hidden storage compartments are increasingly in demand. Custom wardrobes with built-in organization systems are making bedrooms more efficient, while foldable desks and wall-mounted shelves are ensuring that even the smallest apartments have practical workspaces. Homeowners are also opting for furniture that can be reconfigured based on their needs, making it easier to adapt to different living situations. A successful home renovation in Dubai requires thoughtful planning and strategic decision-making. Setting a budget from the beginning and accounting for unexpected expenses will prevent overspending. Choosing a reputable renovation company with experience in Dubai's construction standards ensures quality work that meets regulations. Long-term planning is key. Trends should complement personal style while remaining functional for years to come. Obtaining the necessary permits from Dubai municipality is also crucial to avoid any legal complications. Home improvement is not just about keeping up with the latest trends, it's about enhancing the comfort, functionality, and beauty of your living space. By incorporating eco-friendly solutions, smart technology, and innovative design ideas, homeowners in Dubai can create luxurious, future-ready homes that reflect their personal style while offering unparalleled convenience. Whether you're revamping your interiors, upgrading your outdoor space, or integrating smart home features, these ideas will ensure your home stands out in 2025 and beyond.